Hey guys, it's 7th and 8th grade career education, and I'm Miss Lively. What career cluster are we going to learn about today? I'll give you a hint. It's one of my favorite. You guessed it, education and training. I'm so excited. So, a lot of planning and care goes into planning, managing, and providing education, as well as training and related learning supports like speech and OT. People employed in this field educate children and adults. Workers in this cluster need patience and good customer service skills to be great at their jobs. Notice that I said that they educate children and adults. There are college professors and even teachers at times have to go back for certain trainings. The type of personality that a person in this cluster would have would be warm and empathetic, have outstanding people skills. They prefer to be with others and not alone. They also show genuine concern for how others think and feel. They prefer a structured and organized environment, meaning that they prefer that everything around them is really put in order and that their tasks throughout the day are prioritized. They value harmony and are good at creating things. This personality type also has to be creative and imaginative to make sure that all of you are paying well attention to the lessons, but also that you're getting the quality education that you deserve. They have to be strong interpersonal communication skills. Pathways to this career would be administration and administrative support, professional support services, and teaching and training. Sample occupations in this career cluster could be a college president, a dean department chair, or program coordinator, a trainer, a curriculum specialist, hey, a teacher, a textbook author, an elementary secondary superintendent, a principal, or an administrator, and a supervisor and instructional coordinator. So, now comes time for your assignment. Part 1. A teacher spends hours preparing and creating lessons for their students in their classroom. What skills and interests do you think a teacher needs? Now, remember, we are talking about skills and interest. So what skills do you think a teacher has to acquire in order to teach? And what do you think a teacher has to be interested in order to be able to become a teacher? I'll give you a hint. One is they must love working with children. That's it. No more hints. If you can, come up with 3 more skills and interests that a teacher needs, that would be awesome. The second part of your assignment is teachers are not the only occupations that are in a school. If you refer to the PowerPoint, I think I mentioned at least 2 other occupations. But can you list 3 other occupations that are in a school that deal with education? Once you have completed assignment part 1 and assignment part 2, please email me your responses so that I can give you a grade. All right, have fun, and I'll talk to you next time.